Hello. Today we are learning about combining like terms in algebra. This is a core skill that helps us simplify expressions. What are like terms? They are terms that have the exact same variables raised to the same powers. Only the coefficients can be different. Here are examples of like terms: 3x and 5x, 2x squared and 7x squared, 4y and negative 9y, and constants like 6 and 11. These are not like terms. 3x and 3x squared have different powers. 2x and 2y have different variables. 5x squared and 5x cubed have different exponents. 4xy and 4x are different because of the extra y. To combine like terms, first identify matching variable parts, then add or subtract the coefficients, and keep the variable part the same. For example, 3x plus 5x becomes 8x. 7y squared minus 2y squared becomes 5y squared. Negative 4a plus 9a becomes 5a. Let's try example 1. Simplify 5x plus 3y minus 2x plus 7y plus 4. Identify the groups. The x terms are 5x and minus 2x. The y terms are 3y and 7y. The constant is 4. Now combine. 5x minus 2x equals 3x. 3y plus 7y equals 10y. 4 remains 4. The final result is 3x plus 10y plus 4. Example 2. Simplify 8a squared minus 3a plus 5a squared plus 7a minus 2. Group them. A squared terms, 8a squared plus 5a squared equals 13a squared. A terms, negative 3a plus 7a equals 4a. Constant, minus 2. Final result, 13a squared plus 4a minus 2. Example 3. Simplify 4xy plus 9x minus 2xy plus 3. The xy terms combine to 2xy. 9x stays, 3 stays. Result, 2xy plus 9x plus 3. Here are more quick examples. 2b plus 5b minus b equals 6b. 9m squared minus 4m squared plus m squared equals 6m squared. Negative 7c plus 3c minus 2c equals negative 6c. And 5 plus 8 minus 3 equals 10. Remember the key rules. Only combine terms with identical variable parts. Add or subtract coefficients only. Leave variables and exponents unchanged. Watch for negative signs. Constants are like terms too. Great job! You now know how to combine like terms. Practice these examples to build confidence. Thanks for learning.